Our campus is just 25 minutes north of Asheville in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains. We're on a site that has been tended to for many years and is full of beautiful structures and gardens and fruit trees, and we gather for our ceremonial fires atop a beautiful meadow that has just like incredible panoramic views of the mountains all around, and it's just a spectacular place. There's a lot of focus on just attuning ourselves to the natural world. So we're learning about, what are these green beings growing around me? What is my relationship to them? We're learning about how to make medicine. We're also doing hands-on crafts. We're making handmade brooms to use in the daily rituals of our lives. We're also doing basketry. There's a chance to dip in some wild, cold waters with other women, and to just really understand, what is it like? What is it like for me? What does it mean for me to connect with my wild self? I witnessed the women that are here on the land all weekend just really weaving and co-creating together and just forming incredibly intimate bonds. It's very much like a seed has been planted. It's like an initiation of relationships that maybe will last a lifetime.